One of my favorite shop tools is my bandsaw, just because of all the things that I can do with it. Now when I teach classes on how to use a bandsaw, one of the most popular parts of the class is how to fold up the blade. Now when you buy the blades, they come coiled in a nice small package. And if you ever take your bandsaw blade off to change to a different one, you need a way to be able to store it. Something this big is just a little bit too prickly and awkward to keep hanging around. So storing and coiling up a bandsaw blade is actually pretty simple. The key is all in how you hold your hands. On one of my hands, I hold with the index finger below the blade, and on the other, the index finger is above the blade. Then it's just a matter of turning your wrists and bringing your hands toward your chest. The blade actually wants to fold up into a nice coiled shape. Now what do you want to do when you want to put this blade back on your saw? Well, you could follow the advice of one of my favorite baseball players, Bob Uecker. Just throw it on the floor and wait for it to stop rolling and pick it up. But that could end up damaging the teeth. Instead, I like to just very carefully reverse the process and allow the blade to unfold. If you keep your hands on the blade, you're less likely to get scratched. Now once you do have the blade all folded up, one of my favorite ways to store it is just to use a regular binder clip. You can open it up, clamp it around the blade, and then just hang it on a nail. That way your blades are protected and ready for their next use.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video tip, be sure to subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Now, every week we're adding great woodworking tips and woodworking videos. All you have to do is hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.